It's raining outside today, and MeeMee is P.O. She does not want to walk. She keeps turning around to go back home, but we're not going back home because we're going to go feed the birds. But we didn't feed the birds for a couple of days, so once we feed the birds, then we can go home. Okay, guys? It's not raining hard. Look. It's not raining hard. I mean, it's raining, but it's not hard. Okay. Come on. Good boy, Charlie. Come on. I know. It's all wet. My feet all wet, Mom. I don't like it. Right? I don't like it. Come on, Nosy. Come on. It's okay.